Alright, how is everybody doing? So, finally, finally I got one. I finally passed the challenge. So, uh, I haven't counted how many I've done these. This is just my one account. I got at least two others. There aren't so many challenges there. I've tried EAs mostly on the second account. But yeah, these are all manual trading, trials. Finally, I got one. I passed the first one. I passed the first one I ever took, and I think that kept me going because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Out of 18 trials, I've only passed 2. But yeah, um, there are some trials that I've almost passed, and I've shared in the Telegram as well. And I did say I'm gonna take a actual challenge once I pass this one, and I did. I'm currently at the actual challenge, and these are my trades on the actual challenge. Still at break even right now. They're actually in a drawdown. Yeah, minus 42 euros right now. Yeah, I got pretty anxious taking these trades because I overthinked a little bit. I was debating whether to take the challenge on the MT4, MT5. Doesn't really matter because you can change it afterwards. But yeah, for some reason I took it on MT5, and so I got you know I got hectic about setting it up because I haven't used MT5 before on desktop and on mobile. It doesn't it's not that different, but there are some nuances that are different. And yeah, anyway, I wanted to cover the last trades I took on the free challenge, and as well as these new trades. And there's only like six of them. So the so I covered the last week trades on my last video. So let's go back to the beginning of this video. Took by this was 23. Yeah. So good morning. Took a buy on Euro USD. So there was that was the trade. It would be very much in profit right now. So, and those were the reasons. Noticed first of all, there was a buy here on H1, and there was also a buy on H4. And I noticed a divergence on H4. This is the lower low, higher low, bullish regular divergence. Noticed a divergence on H4 and the buy signal on the simple interest indicator on H1 and H4, and also price is just below this resistance here, and it has it broke this resistance here, and there's also a tweezer bottom with a bullish engulfing, so I didn't notice that before. Just an extra confirmation. Anyway, that was I got a bit of a late entry, so I didn't put the stop exactly down below the recent low, because that stop would have been too wide. I took the risk of, getting wicked out, but it didn't happen. Price, went into profit, and still would be in profit, but the free trial ended and I closed my trade yesterday. So yeah, this was that. This was Euro USD. So took a buy in USD, buy signal H4 and H1, and also on D1. Okay. Yeah, so daily buy. Okay. Cool. Very cool. I'm anticipating it's gonna go way up here because it's making a daily, daily W. If you look at it, boom, 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 boom. So daily W. So I'm anticipating it's gonna go all the way up here. So yeah, even thinking about it now, could have taken this buy actually right here with my actual with my actual challenge. Anyway, didn't take it. Let's move on. So buy signal H4 and H1 and D1, H4 divergence. Okay, the D1 was still forming. The W formation on D1. Both trades are sitting pretty much at break even now. Both trades, I mean the NZD CHF trade I kept open from last week. So Tuesday morning, good morning peeps, took a buy on AUD CAD. So bullish regular divergence on what looks to be H1, AUD CAD. Yeah, so bullish regular divergence on H1, buy signal on H1. Also got a bit of a late entry. W formation, yeah, so here's the W formation, bullish regular divergence, price at the bottom of the channel, and a simple entry buy signal. And my prediction on gold, so I was predicting gold to go down. Unfortunately, I don't have a sell signal from the indicator, so I'm gonna let this pass for now. I'm gonna gain more experience to trade without the indicator. And my prediction was right because gold did drop, from the point where I was making the prediction. I don't know how much it's gonna drop. I don't know. It's at the top of the channel, so it might go down to this wick or at the bottom of the channel. So yeah, that was my prediction on gold, and these were the trades on Tuesday 1442. Open trades right now, and I closed all of them with 123 euros in profit. It was actually at 160 at some point. So closed all the trades. The free trial ends tonight. Next step is to take the actual challenge. I'm debating on where to take the actual challenge on 94 and 95. I'm hearing, I heard it from Justin Mueller in one of his recent videos, that he has information from some of the brokerages that MT4 is being discontinued in a few years. So that's why the issue came up. But yeah, this is my challenge. So the maximum loss I endured was minus 263. So in my opinion, pretty decent challenge, and I actually passed the profit target for the actual challenge, because the free trial is 5% and the actual challenge is 10%. So I passed the actual challenge profit target as well. So let's see how this actual challenge works out. Got some screenshots here. And so I took the actual challenge. These are the trades. And opted for MT5. Don't know if it was the right decision, but let's see. I was more comfortable using MT4, but MT5 does offer some more extra features to make the usage of the mobile app a bit more comfortable. You can, drag and drop the take profit and stop loss on the mobile app for MT5. That's actually a very beneficial thing for me because I really don't like typing the prices on the when I modify the order. I really don't like typing the price numbers there because I tend to forget them, so I have to go back, memorize the price again, then go to modify the order, and then start typing the price, and then I forget again, and then yeah. So oftentimes I just enter the buy or sell and just wait to get to the computer to drag and drop these from the MetaTrader terminal on the PC. So yeah, these are trades. Why are they not showing? These are the trades right now. So took a buy on Euro AUD, break and retest. Looks like a break and retest, but now I'm thinking, reassessing, these trades. Let's look at the Euro AUD. So it is a break and retest, right? Can't argue with that. But I'm thinking now that it might be more of a stop loss. I'm thinking, price might come to the bottom of the channel, maybe to something in the lines of this, where price just keeps boom, 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 and then here shoot up. It is possible. So, but yeah, there was a buy signal on H1 and on a pretty decent resistance level. So there's a similar occurrence here, but there are two touches at this zone, and it's at the bottom of this channel, top of this channel. So yeah, but yeah, let's see. I only have 1.5% on this trade, so even if all these trades hit stop, it's only gonna be 1.5% loss, so no biggie. There are some good setups forming. Then I took a buy on GBP CAD. Kind of looks like a head and shoulders pattern in forming. So, but this was just a support zone for me and a divergence on H4. Was it H1? Yeah, so higher high, lower high. So this is a hidden bullish divergence. Means trend continuation up, and we are in a small rangy uptrend kind of. So let's see where this leads. And then I took a buy on USD CAD. So I'm the most optimistic about this trade because it's at the bottom of the channel. it's got a buy signal and it has the clearest form of divergence in my opinion. No, GB cannot. This is kind of a, I don't know how, yeah, not really a divergence. Yeah. So yeah, let's see how this works out. But it's at this horizontal line here. It's kind of a break and retest, bottom of the channel. Looks like price is making a W here, so I don't know. Let's see. I was pretty anxious taking these trades because it's a big step for me taking the action challenge, and it's kind of is like trading real money, which means like a lot of different emotions. So gotta keep my rep in line, risk, emotions, and patience. So gold started to drop like I shared yesterday, and the EA I'm using came out of its 30% drawdown. So I'm gonna make a separate video about that one. So taking the trades with the new challenge account, I have to admit I was feeling anxious because it's a big step for me. Now looking at the market again, I wouldn't be surprised if they all hit stop, because my bias for the trades I closed yesterday remains. They would still be open, and some of the trades I have now are opposite to the yesterday's trades. But let's see. Call prediction was right. Going great. Still a break even with my FTMO trades. Now it's not break even. It's in a slight small drawdown. Like a screenshot. Yeah, market's closed for 4 or 5 minutes. So right now it's minus 45, but let's see, because the trades I closed on my free trial, they would be very much in profit. Euro USD, AUD CAD, Euro USD, and what was the third one? NZD CHF. They would be very much in profit. That would be like 200 euros right now, I think. And to put things in perspective, if this was a 200k account, my profit for 2 weeks would be 24k. Okay, not all of it would be mine. So 24,000 times. So I would have made 16,800 euros in 2 weeks. That's more than I make in a year at my job. I would have made in 2 weeks. And it would still be ongoing, it would be even higher right now, because the open trades would be at like 200 euros, so that would be like 1,300, which would make the total profit for 26,000 times, so 18k. I'm gonna get the 200k account. So to put things in perspective, if I can make this kind of percentage profit with a 10k account, why not make it with a 200k account? It's gonna take me a little time to get there, but I will. So yeah, NZD CHF and AUD CAD kind of are the opposite of the Euro AUD, because AUD CAD and NZD CHF would have to go down for Euro AUD to go up. But then again, AUD CAD is going up, and USD CAD and GB CAD, also in the buy position. So let's wait and see. Anyway, that's all I wanted to say. Now I can clear up my charts with all these past history trades. and I can focus on my actual challenge. So let's see what we can see. Yeah, I think I'm gonna close this video and then start a new video and make a video about the FX Breaks. I might actually just do that. Anyway, if you got any value, feel free to hit the like and subscribe. If you didn't, then don't. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.